You bleached your skin because you want to have a fairer skin, but now you have a dark knuckles. Hey guys, it's your girl Price Natural Glow. So today we are going to be making a knuckle cleanser. It's a normal thing for you to face challenges when you're trying to get what you don't have. So in the case of having a dark knuckles, as a dark skin person trying to bleach your skin, have a fairer skin, it's a normal thing for you to experience dark knuckles. So here we are going to be using Saturday Fit cleanser. They have the face cleanser and they have the fit cleanser. We're going to be using the fit cleanser, and here we have pigmentos. We're using the cleanser, not the oil. And here we have RWT cleanser, guys. This cleanser is mad. It's very effective. It's very effective. This alone can clear your dark knuckles very well, but you have to be mindful. You have to be very careful while using this. This cleanser is very easy to make, but please not for sale, because not all customer is ready to obey to your instruction. Most of them want to do their village thing, like they want to do what they want to do. So this, you need to follow the instructions, so don't sell out for your own use. It's very simple. Like I said, you just have to pour the whole cleanser in your beaker or wherever you're using, but make sure you're using a clean mixing bowl to mix the whole cleanser. Now, if your knuckle is not that terrible, it's not that difficult to clear, I'll just advise you pick one out of this cleanser. This knuckle cleanser we are mixing together is actually for people that have tried everything possible to clear their knuckles, but the knuckle is as stubborn as he goat. So we are going to add the pigmentos cleanser. This is a face cleanser also, and this is a knuckle cleanser also. This is a whitening cleanser. It's very effective on dark spot, stubborn area like your feet, your knuckles, and your toe if you have a dark toe. And of course, we are going to add the almighty RWT, guys. This cleanser is very effective. Though it's very expensive, but it's worth the money. So you're going to add everything, and of course your production is ready. So guys, just like I said, this cleanser is for people that have a terrible dark knuckles, that have tried everything but it's not working. So if you mix all this together, it's going to be very effective, that within 3 days to 1 week you start seeing a whole lot of different on your knuckle. So it clears the knuckle very well, and it's very safe if you use it with your right hands. Not you using it every day. Anyway, I'm going to talk about that before the end of the video. So ensure you watch the video to the very end and subscribe, turn on your post notification, and share this to your friend and family, because almost everybody is battling with dark knuckles. In as much as you once use a product that is made for fairer skin, as a dark person, you use a product that is made for fairer skin, like you're bleaching your skin, you are probably going to have dark knuckles. So that is it. Now that the cleanser is ready, are you also ready to follow the instruction? Because the instruction also determine if you're ready to clear your dark knuckles or you're not ready. Like I said before, this cleanser, there is one for feet and there is one for face. Okay, so you can't even take this or the RWT cleanser anywhere close to your neck, not to talk of your face. Okay, so here we have a hand cream. Do you know the reason why I introduced this hand cream before saying anything about how you use the cleanser? It's because this is more important than that hand cleanser. Yes, you need a hand cream to keep your hand hydrated, because if you're using a product or a cleanser to clear your dark knuckles, definitely your knuckles is going to get dry. Okay, so you need something to soften your knuckles and also rhyme it. That is why I'm introducing this bacon hand cream, and this is the most affordable hand cream available in the market. We have our own hand cream. It's a bit more expensive than this. Like I said, this is the most affordable. But if you have the money, please go to the highest one. Okay, the higher one. Okay, to ensure your hands or your feet is always hydrated and draw water. Like, it contains ingredients that will help to draw water to the skin, like deep panthenol, hyaluronic acid, and grassline. Okay, so that is it. So you need this more than you need the hand cleanser. Use this morning, afternoon, night. In fact, anytime you wash your hands, use this hand cream. That is why I introduced the affordable one. Just like I said, this is 100 gram, and I think this is being sold for about 2,000 naira, so it's very much affordable. Here in Nigeria, it's being sold for 2,000 naira. So you have to use this cleanser 3 times in a week and your hand cream every day. In fact, immediately you wash your hands, maybe after eating or doing any house chores, please make sure you apply your hand cream. And the cleanser is 3 times in a week and only at night. And make sure you exfoliate your knuckle 2 times in a week, probably with a product that contains lemon or salt scrub is okay as well. To some of you that will ask me, why is it that hand cleanser works very fast in clearing the knuckle? The bitter truth is that hand cleanser, some of them contain harsh chemical, just like this one, is not 100% safe on your skin. You can't use it on your skin, but you can use it on your knuckle, because your knuckle is very, very hard to compare other of your skin. And that is why I advise 3 times in a week or even 2 times in a week, and follow up with your hand cream to keep your skin hydrated and also calm those harsh chemical you use to clear your dark knuckles. The easiest way to stop those knuckles is stop bleaching. Don't use product that is not specifically made for you. Use product for your skin type, your skin color, and your skin concern. It's not a must everybody will be fair in complexion and all of that. Okay, just embrace your skin color and be happy with it. Dark knuckles, stretch mark, green vein, white patches is the fastest sign that the product you are using is not healthy for you, is harsh on your skin. But some of you don't want to stop because you like the fact that it's whitening you, is giving you 2 to 3 shades, but you will not see the repercussion now but in future, and by then it might be a bit late for you because of skin cancer and all of that. So it's better you stop it now. I know people would ask you what happened, you are darker, but people that knows you know that you are naturally dark, but you bleached your skin. So what people will say does not matter, because they won't be there when the time comes. So please do what works for you. So this is all about this video. Please go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notification, and let me know under the comment section another video you want me to make for you. Bye.